Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Today we're going to go over the Wednesday slideshow and your activity you're going to complete today. Please pay attention because the activity is a little tricky in Google Classroom, so I want to make sure you understand how to complete it. So let's get started. You know the drill. Read every day. Please make sure you are reading. Skip over that one. Excuse me. All right, today's learning goal, the students will use similarities and differences in texts to explain the production process. So you're going to use what you learned throughout this week today. Your success criteria. The student can retell key details after reading an informational text. The student can determine the main topic after reading an informational text. The student can identify key details that support the main topic of the text or two different texts on the same topic. The student can identify similarities and differences in illustrations, procedures, descriptions of two texts. And then your social studies success criteria. The student can give examples of natural and human resources used in the production Oh goodness, Mrs. Smith. Try that again. The student can give examples of natural and human resources used in production, such as making butter, making ice cream, and building houses. The student can describe the skills people need for their work in the home, school, and community. All right, today, same essential question. How does the production process work? So, today we will create a poster in order to describe the production process of ice cream. Today is the day we are going to be completing this end goal. You're going to create a poster. But first, let's review. Review the two texts we've read and take note of how ice cream is made. So you're going to listen to this again and follow along. And then you're going to listen to this read aloud again by me and take note. After you have reread both texts, then you are going to complete your poster. So think about how ice cream is made and create a poster that shows the production process of ice cream. You can create the poster on the document provided in Google Classroom or create your own and post it on the assignment. Be creative, add pictures, and use complete sentences. All right, this is where I really need you guys to pay attention because I'm going to show you some things that we're going to do. So, as always, you can feel free to be creative, use paper on your own, draw pictures on your own, and labels. Or if you want to do it on, whoops, I didn't show you. If you want to do it on Google Classroom, you're going to go to Social Studies 6.3 Ice Cream Production. And I have two slides here for you, but you are welcome to delete one. So you can do this however you want. There are lots and lots of options, okay? So I gave this as an option. So if you want to do it in steps, first this happens, then this happens, then this happens, you are welcome to do that. However, on this page, I did not put any text boxes. So if you want to use this page, then you are going to add your own text boxes to create the complete sentences to describe each step. So you would put a text box here, tell me the first step. And then what would be really cool is if you wanted to insert a picture, you could go to right here, you have this little insert image, or you can go to insert image. Okay, so you go to insert image, and then you could search the web. And let's say the first one, the first step of making ice cream starts at the farm. So you want to draw a picture or put a picture of a farm. This doesn't exactly show what I want. Let's think. What else? Where else does it start? Well, when you do the ice cream making process, you have to have cows because cows give us milk. So I typed in farm cows milk. So you could pick any of these pictures. You could pick cow milk. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. So I'm going to do that one and we're going to do insert. Now, once you insert it, it is going to be bigger than what you want. So, whoops, you want to make it smaller by going over to the corner and making it smaller, putting it, I want to make it a little bigger than that, and putting it in the box. Okay, so there's your first step. Cow's milk. Obviously, this is not what you are going to type because guess what? You have to type incomplete sentences. And after all the research you've done, you should be able to do that. So please keep that in mind. So you're going to use a text box and then you're going to insert an image to match what you wrote. If you want to look for images on the internet, you just go to this button. It says insert image, search the web. You can type whatever you want to look for and then put your picture that you choose in the box. Okay. Now, your other option, also you want to in this box tell me what you're telling me about. So, I'll even give you this answer cuz this is easy. You need to make sure you do the production only one production process of making ice cream. Or actually, the production process of ice cream. And there you go. That's what you're telling me about. Here's step one. You have to tell me the other steps. This is one option. The other option you have is to create your own. Do whatever you want. I'm actually going to get rid of these. So you have a blank sheet. You can add text boxes where you want them. You can add pictures where you want them. So for example, if you want to start here, cow's milk. I'm going to make that smaller. And then you can insert your image. Do the same one just for kicks and giggles. And then you can make it smaller. You could also do, actually, I'll show that in a second. So this is your poster. And then you want to put your title at the top. You can move things around. There's so many options on this. It's a lot more of a free type of thing. So if you want to do this and have bigger, maybe make this picture bigger and your next picture smaller, it's totally up to you. Okay, so this is one option as well, making a poster like this, or you can make a poster using your sequence chart. Either one is totally fine. This is more structured. This is more of a free type of situation where you can make it however you want to make it. Also, you could even do, if you want to be really fancy and you want to do one on each slide, you could do a slide for each step. So to add a new slide, you just hit this plus sign up here and you keep adding slides. So you could say your sentence here of the step and then add your picture here. But so you could say cow's milk and then here insert your image. Oops. Insert. Uh-oh. See, this is so fun. Why would it do that to me? I just want it to go right there. Okay, so I might even just delete that box. So there's one of your, this is your first step. If you want to do another step, you just add a new one and you keep going. All right. Whatever one of these you are not using, so you click on it. If you're not using this one, delete, and it goes away. Not using this one, delete, and it goes away. If you pick an image and you don't like it, click on the image, click delete, and it goes away. All right. If you don't want a text box there, you can delete it and it will go away. Or if you want to use the same text box, see how it's highlighted in blue? You're going to write, hey, now that's not what I wanted. You're going to right click and go to copy and then hit paste. And it's going to mimic it right there, but you can move it. So you can move it right there. So you can put them wherever you want. This is truly a situation where you guys have free reign. You can make this whatever you want. It should be fun. I don't want it to be frustrating for you. Please remember you can also do it on paper with crayons and your own drawings. It's totally up to you. I just thought this would be kind of fun for you guys to um, make your own. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these so that you guys have free reign of what to do. And then I'm going to delete this and delete that. So this is just a blank one, and then this one is a little more structured. If you have more questions about this, please let me know and I can help you. I know that it can be a little, it seems like it might be a lot, but I want you guys to have fun with it. And remember, you have free Friday to continue to work on this. So if you don't finish it um, today, don't worry about it. You can make this a 2 day activity. You could do a couple now and a couple later. It is totally your choice. Don't let this stress you out. Just have fun with it. All right. And remember, if you choose to do just this one, then you can delete this page. Or if you choose to do this option, you can delete that page by just clicking on it and clicking the delete button. Um, or if you want to do all of the different slides, you can just add a new one and delete these two. So actually, I'll just go ahead and add that for you. So you have your blank option, and then you have your option where you can put it up at the top and make a couple different slides. I'll actually move that. There you go. So if you do this option, you'll delete these two. If you do this option, you're going to delete 1 and 3. If you choose this option, you're going to delete 2 and 3. And remember, if you choose option number 3, every time you want to add a new step, just hit the plus sign and you will get a new slide. I really hope that this makes sense. Please, if it doesn't make sense, contact me and I can help you with whatever you need. It should be really fun. I feel like I'm being very redundant, so I apologize. All right, so that's all for today. It may seem like a lot, but I think you guys are going to have fun with it. And again, you can make it a 2 day activity. Don't stress yourselves out by having to do all of it in one day. And the good news is you don't have to do an Oreo organizer this week. So think about the positives here. All right. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Have a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you tomorrow for Thursday.